The fact that Metallica is spending their time and effort to support our students, it just brings them to a different level. They are more responsible. They're the first people to show up for class and some of the last to leave. They're the most dedicated students because of the investment that the band has made in them.
The support from this foundation has supported students from Clackamas Community College for the last 3 years. And what you're about to view is student success stories from all 3 years.
The gear that we were able to get really set us off on the right foot. Everything from the gloves to the welding helmet. Getting into the new trade can be so overwhelming because you just don't know where to start. And having all those things at the beginning of class was incredible. You know, we got quality stuff and I used these things till today.
The day that I was actually able to hear that I had gotten approved and I had been one of the few students selected, it was a pretty crazy moment, and I had to go share that with my parents first and foremost.
It just really helped me to buy some stuff that I couldn't necessarily afford to buy, but will need to buy. So it's just been a huge blessing.
They support students and they buy in the tools for the student. They buy in shirts, boots. That's really good from their side.
It paid for tools and stuff that I was planning on paying for myself, and it really enabled me to actually stay in school. I was thinking I might not be able to, and that swayed the tide.
And when I got those tools, I was like, oh my gosh, I could actually do this for a living. Like, I'm not just a student anymore. I felt like a welder fabricator at that point. I thought, okay, yeah, I could actually do this.
These tools are hundreds of dollars, and just to have the opportunity to get these tools and to learn something with them, honestly, like, I couldn't ask for anything more.
They gave me an avenue to pursue my dreams in a career in welding and a career in fabrication and metalworking.
It got me a job, and now I'm welding all the time.
The support from the foundation made it possible for me to work in the shop. Without the equipment, I wouldn't have been able to.
I just can't express my gratitude enough. Again, it's probably what kept me in school.
Just really appreciate them recognizing the blue-collar workers, the people that kind of go under the radar, I feel like. We're probably the biggest Metallica fans out there.
I grew up in the 90s. I was a rocker chick. And so to see this band create this foundation to give back to their community is such a huge deal. I'm so grateful to be a recipient. It's changed my life.
I mean, Metallica rocks. It's the heaviest band in the world. And for them to give back to a community, the generosity is incredible. And that has inspired me to continually give back. I can never say thank you enough. My skills have grown. I've been able to add welding and metal fabrication into my business. It's been incredible with the people that I've met in the welding community. The community college has been amazing with amazing instructors and just the continual support. So I'm happy to be here and share this story and know that if there's anyone that's out there that wants to learn to weld, this is the place you come to learn to weld.